Olympic, on Olympic. Olympic and Goodrich. Yes, we got really great information. People who know the streets out here. It's a red light coming up, red light and cross traffic, and we're on Olympic right there. Went through another one. That one is a little bit, we've saw some tighter ones, but this car not even slowing down, not even slowing down and passing on. You know, this is the kind of stuff that we've been seeing, and you know, they just get more and more outrageous, and it's just taking more and more chances out here. Worried about the public just watching this. I mean, it just brings ice water to my veins, especially when, you know, officers may have lost him. In that turn right there, the helicopter overhead, I'm listening to the Sheriff's Department, is trying to talk to the California Highway Patrol right now. They missed him on that turn. So he's in a residential neighborhood right now, but the helicopter's still overhead. Hopefully, this will slow him down a little bit as he runs through another stop sign out here, residential neighborhood. So many close calls this evening. This car continues to drive, two people in it, another sharp turn, hitting the brakes, didn't make that turn, and the door's open. Looks like he almost took out his passenger there. Not very well planned. But, you know, this is still, the vehicle's continuing, that passenger running. We're going to stay with the car right now. The helicopter is going to keep an eye on that passenger that jumped out. But you see that not planned and very dangerous. You know, sometimes we have a little less, you know, caring when a suspect gets hurt, but they're still human beings. They're still people. Officers from California, all the officers that we know actually worry about their people that they're chasing out here. That goes through their minds. They're worried about the public. They're worried about the suspects, and of course, they're also worried about their fellow officers. The car's kind of slowing down right now. Looks like we're going to be in an alleyway, possibly an apartment building area. Don't know if he knows where he is, but this continues to elude the officers. The helicopter overhead trying to guide in the officers right now on the ground. Back on Olympic. Back on Olympic. Your turn. Whoa! 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 Oh! Oh! There it is. He's out. Don't think I ever saw anything like that before. We're on Olympic. He's running there. He's going through those houses, working his way back out towards Olympic from the alleyway. Officers from the Highway Patrol not in the area right now, but that sheriff overhead, oh, yes, they are. Oh, yes, they are. They're right there. The officers are getting the information right now, working his way back again, doing like a zigzag. He's going to actually basically be running back to where those officers are, trying to jump that fence. Better driver than athlete, that's for sure. There we go. Officers from California Highway Patrol right behind him. You know, when we see them running through these yards, I'm always thinking somebody's dog is going to take them out. This time, not happening again. Kind of confused, a little lost right there. California Highway Patrol just making their way into that alleyway, into that backyard. Other ones, one house over. Same plot, wrong side of the road, working his way back out on the street. Up, 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 down. Oh, there we go. You know, no, they're not. There he is. He's right there in our shot. Still kind of dancing around out there. Back on Olympic. Here they go. Here it's going to be up, up. It's going to be right in that front yard for sure. There you go. Out there on the sidewalk. And it's over here on Olympic this evening. Nobody got hurt. Somebody's car is going to be flipped over, though. Tree. He flipped over an SUV. Yeah. I have no idea. No. Thanks. Server? Severe Avenue and no, this is where this here. This is here. They're probably going to let the passenger go. They got the driver. That's the yeah. Yeah. Olympic. No, you don't hear it. Somebody's talking in my ear. Sorry, John. Yes, sir. Everybody kind of showed up at the crash is what I'm hearing. We don't know what they have or how, but when the crash happened, other were here. And when I say everybody, I see two. Oh, everybody's here. Everybody's here. Everybody's here now. Yeah. Server, Server, and Olympic. It is Olympic, right? That's just do an orbit. I just want to double check. What? Yeah, it's Olympic. I can make out enough of it. It's Olympic.